1955 Chevrolet 210 Delray is a complete body-off rotisserie custom. It took over 20 years to complete this beautiful creation. The build began in 1999 and was finished in August of 2024. A General Motors fast-burn 383 cubic inch small block was installed and connected to a Tremec 5-speed transmission, and the power is transferred to a Ford rear end with 410 gears. The body was repainted in merlot metallic during the refurbishment and then placed on a custom chassis. Retaining the original factory look, new hood, door skins, floor panels, and quarter panels were installed. All brightwork has been replaced with new components. American racing wheels are mounted with BFG tires. The car rides on the factory suspension with four-wheel disc brakes handling the stopping power. The factory frame and components were sandblasted and painted with a base coat, followed by a clear coat in gray. Show quality continued with the addition of Lakewood chrome traction bars, a polished fuel tank featuring a new fuel pump, sending unit, driveshaft, and air shocks. The engine bay received the same exterior color, and additional components include a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, billet hood hinges, a chrome alternator, chrome hoses, an air cleaner, and a Be-Cool radiator. A complete custom exhaust system featuring headers, 3-inch polished tubes, and Flowmaster mufflers was installed. 2 rows of bench seats, doors, and headliner are professionally upholstered in tan cloth. A tan plush carpet lines the interior floor. The dash was upgraded while retaining the original factory look, featuring Dakota digital gauges and a Billet Specialties tilt steering column with a vintage tan-rimmed 3-spoke wheel. The timeless Hearst shifter is boldly mounted to the floor, and billet pedals have been installed as well. The 5,116 miles on the odometer are actual since the rebuild was complete. The trunk received professional upholstery featuring tan cloth panels, carpet, and a full spare tire. Custom builds like this 55 Delray are rarely found at this level. Countless hours of painstaking work went in to create this masterpiece, and it truly shows. So, if you've ever wanted an award-winning, great driving classic hot rod, here it is. Give LRA a call at 215-781-3790 or email us at sales@LRA Sales to inquire more about this gorgeous 55 Chevy.